Introductory lecture, and I make the statement that we're really good at solving problems, but we're not so good at relationships. And that's because there are two brain systems that are at play here. And tell me, Jim, as I go through this, whether or not this resonates with you. The first system is called the task-focused system. And this would be equivalent to the systematic thinking that you're thinking about. The second system is called the social system, or in the neuroscience world, it's called the default mode, because we sit in the social system or default mode if we're not task focused. These are antagonistic systems in the brain. And what that means is when one is on, the other is off. And you can both imagine situations where you've been very focused on something and somebody comes in to engage with you and you get a little annoyed and frustrated.
Yeah.
It happens to us all. And that's because we're in task-focused mode, and when we're in task-focused mode, we can't socially engage with somebody else. It takes us a second to shift over to social mode. And that's just part of how our brain operates. And